Holy smokes, what a week it's been. It's been an absolute train wreck here in the past few days in the Brink household. We had our main sewer line plug and go out, and it caused absolute chaos here in our household. Needless to say, I wasn't able to get anything done over the weekend on the YouTube side of things. Wasn't able to record, wasn't able to do really much of anything. The only things I was able to do, I'm not going to even mention on here. Thank you for your patience while you were waiting for me to get the video updates and everything going. So let's see if we can figure out what normal is and jump back into normal. Hey there, John Henry here, ssftg. Welcome to the video. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome my friend. I hope to earn your like and subscription today. Like I said, I'm a bit behind, if that wasn't obvious enough. My video schedule is way off. I haven't had a chance to get anything done, so I'm playing a lot of catch up. And because of that, trying to script something like this is going to be almost impossible. I'm going to be doing this video a bit more impromptu, going through and just kind of talking through what to expect. The main topics that I want to make sure to cover today, the first thing are going to be the weekly nodes earning lotto share that we do every time, or the weekly node earning share lotto. However those words were supposed to be oriented inside there. We'll get that taken care of, as well as a node progress, see how things are building, see how many things are building, etc. And then we can dig into the Spark build targets. Really fun stuff going on there. We had our first structure that was completed based on community efforts. Finally, that's awesome. Congratulations to XROM Deeds for having our first community built structure. We'll go into that in a little bit. Then we'll also talk about what our next targets are. We also have, because of the completed structure, our Spark build raffle, and that was open to the public, so we'll make sure to get that covered as well and get that lotto drawn. Just as a refresher, that lotto was 50 UPIX per 0.1 Spark staked, so if you were drawn, that's how much I'm going to be sending you, hopefully, as long as your account is 60 days old and you've got your KYC completed and everything else that could possibly go wrong is not going to go wrong, but then we'll send you the UPIX and get it taken care of. We also have some really, really cool news with a brand new Discord server that's going to be coming down the pipe. I was honestly hoping to launch this ahead of the weekend. I had the video all scheduled and ready to go on Friday, and then, well, my life went a little bit worse for the wear over the last few days with the goings-on, and I just didn't have a chance to get it launched and released and everything else. That said, I am ready, or at least ready to talk about it. I haven't gotten the link. I'm not going to be sharing the link yet. I'm still finishing up the details there. We're still dealing with plumbing issues and cleaning up more than anything else here to get that all taken care of before we go into the full details. But expect the Discord server details within the next couple videos, and that's a really, really fun one. It turned out really good. I think everything is ready to rock and roll. Again, it's brand new, and I was interrupted halfway through, so there might be a few anomalies. If you notice some weird bugs or something, let me know. But otherwise, we should be ready to rock and roll on the Discord server too. As a side note for myself, I am also going to be working on a new mobile recording station, so that way we can record when we're doing our donation runs and all of that kind of stuff too. It should be really fun to get more on the scenes, if you will. I'd like to really get a GoPro and see if we can grab one of those, and maybe we can do some go-alongs and all that fun stuff too. All kinds of cool stuff coming down the pipe. Like I said, just a couple real-world interruptions that have kind of taken place. We're working our way through. Let's jump on into the first topic. Let's see. That was the weekly node earnings share, so let's get that up and rocking and rolling. So over the past week, like I said, it's been a bit of a messy week, so I haven't been able to really do a whole lot on the buying and selling and flipping and anything else. We've had a few extra USD sales along the way, and we did hit our goal of the week of getting at least one merch sale last week, and we got 2 merch sales last week. So we have 2 more that we were able to add to our donations for Autism Speaks for the donations on May, and we are in a fresh week once again. That means that we need our goal for this week, and like I said, our goal is selling at least 1 piece of merch every week so we can continue adding to our donations to the Autism Speaks Foundation. If you want to grab your very own woodhood merch for the node, swing on over to ssftg.live/merch and grab some of these wicked awesome designs that we've got going on. We've got hoodies and limited 10 of 10 run backpacks and stickers and notebooks and all kinds of awesome stuff. And like I said, 50% of the profits of that get donated to Autism Speaks every single month, the largest foundation for autism in the US. I was just going to export this and jump right into it, but I just saw this 74 between structures in progress and structures completed. There's 74 now in the node. Baby, we're ramping this thing up. This is awesome. Anyway, let me get this exported and we'll do our raffle giveaway, but I saw that number. I was super pumped about that one. All right, I accidentally clicked it, so I had to go and click record. I wanted to make sure to get it. I was going to wait. My air conditioner just turned on. The third place winner, Oregon Mark. I wanted to make sure to get it recorded. Congratulations, my friend. Holy cow. I had to blitz into that recording. I accidentally clicked on the wheel, and it started picking the winner. I'm like, oh, no, I got to make sure to get it recorded. All right. So we have the third place winner and the air conditioner in the background. I was trying to record around it, but I accidentally clicked it. Congratulations, Oregon Mark. You are the third place winner for this week's profit share giveaway. And that means that you are the winner of 1,837 UPIX, pending all of the reviews and everything else. So we'll get that checked out and everything, and then we'll go from there. Let me get caught back up for a second here. All right, jumping back over and doing a little bit of research. Oregon Mark, it seems like you're ready to rock and roll. You've only got the 2 properties in there, so you're good there. And you've got the one that's obviously building because, well, we've already saw it on there, so we know that that part's good. So as far as that is concerned, let's go in and go over to the player search. Get you on the list here, my friend. There we go. And let's see if we can send you your UPIX 1837 send. Get that on over there. Good. Of course, it pops up with a code, but that's a really good sign because that means that it's working. Yes! All right, was able to send that one. Congratulations, my friend. You were the third place winner of this week's profit share giveaway. Okay, now that I've had a chance to catch up and we've got that third place one taken care of, let's remove you from the list for this one, and then we'll roll again. This one is for second place, and now we can rock and roll here. Let's see who's going to win second. Ooh, XROM Deeds! Holy moly, that was a close one. XROM Deeds, second place. Congratulations, my friend. You are the winner of, let's see here, what was second place again? 3,062. So let me take this right on over into Upland. Where did it go? Let's get that pulled up here. Oh, not a property search. Let's go into a player search here. Add you into the list. We'll go in there. Perfect. Got that all taken care of. Let me double check your properties, but I believe you're good. Yep, you've got the 4, so you've got the 3 and then 1 to flip, and you've got 1 built and building. You were the one who had that structure built by us, so that's awesome. That's so cool to see. So we've got that one taken care of. Let's go in to send UPIX, and you are the winner of 3,062. So let's send your UPIX your way. Oh no, we've got the KYC process. XROM Deeds, if you could shoot me a message with a burner property that we can get taken care of. I believe, if I remember correctly, did you? No, you didn't win the last time around. I thought you were the winner one time before. Maybe not, but it looks like the KYC process is what's dragging me down. Shoot me a message on Discord or once we get the new Discord server up, or in the chat on YouTube with a burner property and an address, or send me an email, jhb@ssftg.com, and we'll get your prize money all taken care of. All right, let's jump on over, remove you from the list, and roll again. This will be for first place, our first place winner for this week's profit share giveaway. Matsadar, congratulations, my friend. You are the winner, first place this week's profit share. Let's see, that means that you won 7,348 UPIX. Congratulations, my friend. Let's see if I'm able to send this on over your way here. And hopefully this all goes through without a problem, and then we'll be good to go. Player search, add you in here. Executive, it should allow me to send it. You'd think at an executive status, right? 7348. Did you get it? Got it. There you go. First place winner, my friend. Congratulations. You are the first place for this week's profit share giveaway. All right, we've got that one taken care of and all locked and loaded. The only one that I wasn't able to get a hold of, XROM Deeds, make sure to send me a message with all the info there and we'll get you taken care of. But Oregon Mark and Matsadar, congratulations, my friend. We've got, or my friends rather, we've got you all taken care of for this week's lotto. Again, if you want to participate in these, all that's required is to be a nodler, a holder within the node of Sherwood Forest that's in Detroit, and from there also have a structure built or being built within the node, and that's all. That's all you got to do, and you're eligible to win. As for the targeted Spark builds, like I said, XROM Deeds was also not just the winner of that last little raffle there, but we also have the first building structure completed, which was all community built. We had a bunch of people all pool together and community build as a targeted structure, and we made it up to 7.39 out of the 10 total Spark, which is absolutely amazing. Now we get to pick a winner. And again, the winner out of this, just as a refresher, I can't win. I can't be part of the list. But the winner of this is going to win 50 UPX per 0.1 UPX, or 0.1 Spark staked on the structure. And we'll get that sent over to you here in just 1 second. Let's draw the winner. All right, so we've got everyone loaded up in the list that was staking on the last targeted structure. That was at 19505 Canterbury Road. We had a total of 29 people staking. Thank you guys so much. That's so cool. Like I said, if we keep this ball rolling, we're going to be able to churn 2 or 3 buildings or structures out every single week, and this place is going to be built up quick. The next targeted structure before I do the raffle giveaway is 3485 Cambridge Ave, the owner of which is David, or David, I believe is actually how you say it, 19773. So far, there are a total of 14 stakers on there. 4.67 have already been staked. It's almost out. If that one does fill up, then you can head over into 19205 Berkeley Road, and then if that one's full, 19401 Canterbury Road. And if that one's full, first off, that would just blow my mind. And second of all, just pick a random one, and we'll pick it up next week. All right, let's jump on over into the Spark staking winner for this week. Roll the winner here, and our winner for this completion target. Is it going to be a double? Oh, Decker Gibbs! Congratulations, my friend Decker Gibbs. Let's jump on over. How much were you staking on this one? Decker Gibbs, you were staking 0.23. Very nice. Let me see what that adds up to. All right, so the first part of the giveaway, since you are the winner, is to see if you actually have a property in the node already, because if you do, your property jumps on the targeted list, which is the main prize of winning the giveaway. And if you already have one built and there's nothing that we can do, then I send you some UPX to make sure that it gets taken care of. But yours will be added to the list here. Let's see which one that is. All right, the address is 2840 Cambridge Ave. That's the one that's getting added to the priorities. I'll update these in just a minute. Obviously, this isn't going to be right, but I'm going to put it over here. So well, apparently I can't. Let me just put it over here then, I guess. How about just paste the address, that way I've got it. Okay, I'll update the spreadsheet in a little bit, but your property is now going to be going onto the targeted list. The next number 1 slot is going to be 3485 Cambridge Ave, followed by 19205 Berkeley Road, followed by 19401 Canterbury Road, followed by 2840 Cambridge Ave. Those are going to be the targets ahead of us. There we go. We got it all updated now and are ready to rock and roll. So with that out of the way, we have the Spark Raffle winner. That one's all taken care of. I'm going to have to figure out who is all staked on this one in a minute here. But aside from that, we are on to our next one. For me, I've already moved on over to 3485 Cambridge Ave, and we've already got a bunch of people who kind of followed along with it. And, well, let's see if we can max that one out, get that one to 10, and get that one completed in the next couple days too. Like I said, in a couple days, we'll have the updated Discord server information that's going to be dropping, and you'll be able to get the links and everything for that all locked and loaded. And from there, the Discord chat, we can make it a lot more easy to communicate back and forth. I know originally we weren't going to do a Discord chat. It was more going to be a video-oriented one, but it just makes so much more sense to have a Discord chat. So look for that link over the next couple days. Here we'll post that, and we'll get that video talking about that and get that rocking and rolling. And then we can start building the community side of things there too. I will also be working on a new recording station, which is behind me, still being erected. We've still got a little bit more work to do on that one, and of course, with everything else going on in the real world side of things, there are going to be a few delays here and there. If you do have any questions, or if you dropped any questions and I may have missed them, obviously you know why, what's going on, and all that fun stuff. Give me a little bit of a break. I promise I didn't ignore you. I'm working on getting all back up to snuff and getting caught back up. We should be, after the next few days, ready to rock and roll and back on schedule, and then hopefully from there we can keep on going. That's going to do it for this one. If you have any questions, like I said, drop them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you guys, whether it's a comment, question, thought for a new video, or anything else. And, of course, until the next one, thanks for watching. We'll see you all in the metaverse.